how to fix error and issues on Adobe Acrobat. The very first thing you want to do is to reinstall the Adobe Reader. Press Windows key plus R to open Run, and then type Ctrl and click OK. Go to Programs and head over to Programs and Features. Select Adobe Reader from the list of the installed apps, and then click on Uninstall. Select Yes to confirm the action. Once it has been uninstalled, you have to install it again. Now the next thing you want to do is disable protected mode at startup. Launch the Adobe Reader X and head over to Edit. Select Preferences. Over here, you'll find the option where it says Enable protected mode at startup. You simply have to uncheck this option and then click OK to save the changes. If you are still facing the issue, then in the next step, what you want to try doing is repair installation. Launch the Adobe Acrobat Reader app that is installed on your system. Click on Help. Select Repair Installation. Click Yes when the confirmation box appears. The repair tool will scan and repair any issues with the software. Once complete, relaunch the Acrobat Reader app and check if the error is resolved. So that's it, and this is simply how you can fix Adobe Acrobat issues and errors. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.